Hey everyone, so I have a tutorial for you guys. This will be for the Paradise Beach Hut gift box die set, and as you can see, this is what it looks like put together, decorated, and everything. Now these are the dies that comes with it. There's gonna be decorative pieces on there like the surfboard. We have the paddle right here, and windows you can put on however you like. The main pieces are gonna be the larger pieces in the back with the tabs on it. And I'll be able to show you how many to cut of each ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this aside. Oh, before I do that, let me show you these three right here. So these are the banners. One of them says Paradise, Beach Hut, and Welcome. And these are embossed. So when you put it onto the paper, it'll kind of leave an indentation like this. Hopefully you can see that. So I do recommend some kind of like shiny or matte type of paper, so that way you can see it a lot better. Or if you use like a regular sheet of paper just to like kind of blend some ink over it. I'm gonna set this over here. So I already have it kind of decorated, just a little ink blended before I decorate and add some pieces to it. So as you can see, the largest piece in the back, I cut two of those. That's going to be the shape of the actual box. This right here is going to be the lid, like the roof. So we're going to need two pieces of this one. This is going to be the bottom part that holds it up. So like the stands. So we're going to need 4 each. And then this right here is just the lock piece. So as you can see, you're only going to have to die cut it one time, and then that'll be it. Now with this, go ahead and fold all the fold lines. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the same to the other ones, just because it's a lot easier to fold it at one time. Now we're going to take both of these. As you can see, this has like a slight blue ink blend on it. This is going to be the outer layer. So I'm just going to flip this upside down. And then these two pieces right here, I'm going to glue right on top of each other. Now we're going to start gluing the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and glue the bottom first and then the side. This is what you should have. Now we're going to grab our 2 roof pieces, and we only need 1 glue tab, so on the other we're just going to cut it off right at the top. And then same thing, we're just going to glue it together at the middle. Now we're going to place the roof right on top, and just on one side. So one side's going to be our flip top, and the other side is going to be glued to the house itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and glue the front piece on and the back piece, since the glue is going to be right here on the left and right side. That way I know that this is going to be centered. So I'm going to glue both sides like so. Now we're gonna get our little lock pieces. These two tiny pieces we're gonna fold and kind of glue them, the circle pieces, together. So we got this and this, and then we're gonna glue it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my decorative piece on the sides so I can place the lock right on top. Now this piece is gonna go at the top, and this one is gonna go on the side. So what I like to do is find a good spot, probably right at the top of the decorative piece, and see where it kind of falls. Maybe right here, or maybe even a little bit lower. Pretty much as long as the roof can connect onto the side, then it'll be good. I'm gonna place mine just below this cut line right here. I'm gonna let that dry for just a little bit, and then I'm gonna lift it up. I'm just gonna finish folding the rest of this leg. So you can have your beach hut either like this, with this kind of stand, or if you don't want all the lines and whatnot, you can use this as the feet instead, and keep it really simple. You can just put that on all four sides. So you can use either one. I did both just because I didn't know which one I wanted to use, but I think I'm gonna go for this one. So these will be like extra pieces I can use on another project. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing. This is what you should have after you put the feet on, and that's pretty much how you make the actual box itself. Everything else we're just gonna decorate. So I'm gonna put like a few windows and a roof and some little things on it, and then we're done. this is what it looks like all finished. Kept it pretty simple. And then right here, you just add some ribbon, and then you can place whatever you want to inside. And yeah, well, that is all I have. I hope you guys liked the video, and hopefully this helps guide you when you create yours or gives you some inspiration for something else. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.